Hey guys, this is Erica from Texas Beacon Real Estate. On this channel, I love to strive to give you guys helpful tips, products, and services that can help you increase your real estate portfolio, your wholesaling business, you name it, flipping, how to build relationships and networking in real estate. It's kind of what this channel focuses on. And for this video, we're going to focus on the Stesana app. It's something we use here in this company, very helpful, a free tool. And so let me go ahead and share my screen and start showing you what I'm talking about here. This is an app that's absolutely free. All right, and so this is what it looks like. Rental property finance is made simple. They have multiple resources in here that are super helpful, some free, some not, and I want to show it to you. You've probably heard about it from my other channels or our Bigger Pockets, track rental performance, maximize your revenue, all this good stuff. So this is the first page when you come across it. It has some really great features that kind of integrate into your company, so you don't have to go on multiple websites. Because if you know, like I know, some people have a website for their applications, then they have a website for repairs, then they have a website for this and a website for their banking. You just want to consolidate some of that time, especially if you're self-managing your portfolio. And even if you're not self-managing your portfolio, you have someone else managing your portfolio for you. If you connect your information here, your bank account, and also the documents from your property management reports that your property manager will give you, you'll have a really great idea of where your business and your company is growing and your net worth. So again, enter your property address, connect your accounts, run the reports in a single click, and done. You have a status come to life. Again, it works on Apple and Android. I'm going to go ahead and pump it up here and show you kind of behind the scenes. And so this is an example of one of the portfolios for this particular email. There's other ones. And so already for this year, appreciation wise, I've gained 20% return, which is close to $41,000 in appreciation for our properties. The occupancy rate is off here. Ignore this. It says 8 units and only 25%, but actually we haven't updated for the month. And so every unit is actually full. It's up for 2. So ignore this. This is incorrect, but just give me some ideals here. As you go down, you'll see dash on the left-hand side. Dashboard, properties, leases, tenants, transactions, document, report, resources, data source, etc. And as you can see here, right, I'm at the 1.9% cash on cash returns, again, because we haven't updated the reports. But just to give you an example, this is what your map will look like, your locations of your properties. And for those of you who know, we have properties in multiple places. So again, this is kind of an example of what it will look like. Monthly rental income, it came in from all properties. Now let's hop on over to documents, right? Now, what does documents say? Document organizer, your purchase sale, your offers, addendums, disclosures, appraisals, inspections, titles, surveys, and plans, closing statements, and recorded deeds. Very important to keep your documents for your properties in one place. And I know sometimes when we're growing fast, we just don't have a time to organize. This is a great way to do it. And then also you have here leases and tenants. You have their lease, you have their credit apps, their credit checks, notices and correspondence, move in and out inspections, eviction and legal docs. You have your mortgage and loan information. You can form 1098s, insurance, quotes, policy docs, certs, and binders. Again, keeping all your things in one collective place can be super helpful in case of emergencies. So vendors, admin, and other, legal and professional, R&M, CapEx, and utilities.
Hey, Classy Climbers, Cherie Warwick here, and Erica's always encouraging us to buy assets, whether it's real estate, raw land, trucks, even buying businesses. Eventually, you're going to come to a point where you need to raise money, whether you're raising it through traditional lenders or alternative lenders. I hope you'll give me a call. I've helped companies raise anywhere from $10,000 to $20 million. Call or text me 703-489-4589, and let's see what your options are.
Now, if you click on here to resources, what you'll get is a lot of great resources. So prime example, rent estimates. It's introducing Stesana's rent estimate. Okay, it's recommended for asking for rent for a unit. Details list of recent rent comps, average days on the market analysis, 5-year trend for 1, 2, and 3 and 4 bedroom units, medium rent trends for cities, state, counties, and states. Again, it'll cost you $19.99 per report, but I can just tell you like this. If you're going to invest thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in a property, $20 estimate report, it can be very useful. Okay, so just give me an example of what it will look like. This isn't you just hopping on Zillow and taking a guess of what the rents are in the neighborhood and you're just guessing. This is a very compiled report, right? So again, rental benchmarks, rent ranges, confidence score, estimated property vacancy, days on the market, vacancy in the county, rental saturation benchmarks, rent range, census, okay? All right, and then this is page 2 of that. Comparable rent properties in your area, right? How far away, what's the distance, how close they are to your house, what's their rent, right? Okay, right, what is it near? And Sun City, California is actually a pretty unique spot. A lot of clients from there. Again, 1-bedroom rental trends, 2-bedroom rental trends, 3, again. This will be very valuable, even Section 8 numbers for those of you who are looking to work with the government. Okay, so now we're on page, 4 of this sample. Again, what's the gross yields, the medium rents? And again, more information. This is a lot of data that can be helpful if you want to go close a deal, if you want to convince a banker, a local banker that, hey, I have really great data on this area and that this property will be rented out confidently at this price point. So lots of good information, super helpful. Again, $19.99, you could take that into a bank and kind of have a little bit more punch to your conversation. This is also in the resources tab. Again, COVID-19, lender borrower relations, list of banks offering home help, how to request mortgage forbearance, super helpful stuff. Evictions, municipality California, municipalities Texas, New York. I'm definitely in the Texas factory there. You know, texting what they can do. Again, great resources, great stuff. You could be super helpful to your business and your long-term plans and just you want as being a landlord. What's your goals and focus? Okay. Another helpful one is get a rate quote. Mortgage, I want to refinance my property or purchase a property. Okay. Again, lenders will participate here. It doesn't necessarily change anything right there for me. So then resources and content to help you manage your property. Tenant outreach template, which is good. Give you some ideas how to talk to your tenants who may be avoiding you, may be nervous, give you some ideas. Grow and scale guide, 11 top rental tax deductions. Okay, rental property checklist, new tax law impact for investors, infograph right there. Boom, you click it. You can actually get, this is downloadable for you. Repairs and maintenance, professional fees, home office, all this good stuff. Employees and independent contractors, education, depreciation, transportation. Okay, so again, use this system that's free to track your business, to grow your business, and gets lots of opportunity, lots of good information that'll help you kind of determine which way you want to grow your business. So I think this is super helpful. You should definitely, again, template downloads, sample emails, letter, call, economic hardship. Some people just don't know what to say to their tenants in this time frame. They're a little frustrated. This is a good, helpful resources. So I think you should totally check out Stesana app. You can always click the link in the description or click the link in the first comment on the page. But I hope this helped you. This is your girl, Erica from Texas Beacon Real Estate. Definitely good luck to you guys out there and good luck on your real estate journey.
Hey everybody, this is DJ the Money Coach coming to you to celebrate our victories with the Classy Climb. Over 9,000 views. Over 400 people attended the 2 webinars. Over 200 people downloaded the Family Finance 101 curriculum. That's 3 hours, 18 modules, teach you how to get your credit score 30 to 60 points higher in 60 days. Teach you how to become consumer debt free, pay yourself first, open a corporation, and leverage the tax laws through businesses, real estate. And to prove how that works, I've done it. And we'll do it for you with the digital family finance booklet. We'll give you a bonus complimentary consultation worth $1,200 with me and 2 other our team members. will also give you this bonus webinar, but you got to hit the link now for the Black Friday special, and we will help you win in 2021. Hit the link. Come join us.